Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing and hands-on review of this Claw GM17 gaming mic. Now this mic can be connected with a Windows PC or a Mac PC or even directly to your Android phone. So without further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. I'll leave a link for the product in the description, so do check it out if you want to know about the complete specifications or just the price. So this is how the whole packaging looks like. On the front, we have a quick preview of how the microphone looks like, and it simply says Claw GM17. At the bottom, we got logos from Windows, Mac OS and Android, so you can connect to these operating systems. And on the side, we have branding once again. And finally, on the bottom, we have some specifications and pricing information. Now let's unbox it. So first we have a service card for extra 6 months of warranty and some documentation. Next we have the microphone itself. That's followed by charging cable, I guess, or the USB cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. And finally, the tripod. So guys, these are the three things that we get inside the box. Now here's a closer look at the condenser. So this is how it looks on the front, and this is how it looks on the back. The entire build is made of plastic, but it does use some metal for this filter and the mesh for the microphone. Rest of the stuff is completely plastic. Next we have the knob over here for gain. Finally at the bottom, we have the audio jack for the headset and the Type-C port. Now let me just connect it to the tripod. It's pretty simple. Now this is how it looks once we set it up. I'm gonna say the tripod is pretty sturdy, and the mechanism over here can definitely reduce all kinds of vibrations. And if you want, you can also readjust it, raise it higher or keep it lower using this knob over here. Now let me connect it to a PC and test its audio. Once the mic is turned on, we get to see an LED on the background. I'll just turn off the lights. There you have it. There are some lights underneath. By the way guys, this is the USB cable that we get inside the box. Now this is for the microphone, and we get this two-sided pin on the other side. So guys, now let's test the condenser. I'm going to be comparing it with the Rode Wireless Go 2, which is attached over here. Obviously, I'll be doing a lot of noise cancellation and some enhancements. But from exactly this point, I'll be using the raw audio from the Rode mic. So Vivo T4 Pro to launch in India on August 26th. That's pretty good. Samsung Odyssey G7, which is a gaming monitor, has been announced. So if you're looking for a good gaming monitor, you can also consider that. Now here's audio from the condenser. So Vivo T4 Pro to launch in India on August 26th. That's pretty good. Samsung Odyssey G7, which is a gaming monitor, has been announced. So if you're looking for a good gaming monitor, you can also consider that. Now this is how it sounds after noise cancellation. So Vivo T4 Pro to launch in India on August 26th. That's pretty good. Samsung Odyssey G7, which is a gaming monitor, has been announced. So if you're looking for a good gaming monitor, you can also consider that. So Vivo T4 Pro to launch in India on August 26th. That's pretty good. Samsung Odyssey G7, which is a gaming monitor, has been announced. So if you're looking for a good gaming monitor, you can also consider that. Now this is a gaming mic, and for that purpose, it definitely performs really well. And if you have any issues with the voice gain, you can adjust it with this knob. That's also pretty cool. So guys, if you're looking for a gaming mic around 2,500 rupees, then I'll definitely recommend this Claw GM17. With that said, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button, and do let us know why in the comment section below. If you have any questions about this product, do let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. With that said, see you next time.